In this video, we are going to discuss about the third phase in incident life cycle, which is investigation and diagnosis. So, what are the inputs, actions and output performed in investigation and diagnosis? You can clearly see the inputs are updated incident details. So, whatever the incident details are, which should be the up to date by the service desk team or any internal teams who provide us the incident to resolve it. Configuration details from the CMBD. So, the configuration details of the configuration items from the CMDB should be available. So, actions means assessing the incident details. So, just going through the incident details and looking into the issue what exactly it is. Collection and analysis of related information. So, getting collected information from the incident and also providing workarounds to it. Resolution, that means it might be a workaround or a route to inline support. That means providing resolution to that or else providing the workaround so that it functions normally, and if it occurs in future, again we also do the root cause analysis so that this can be resolved in this one go. Outputs, incident details yet further updated and specific of the selection or required workaround. So, this means that incident details are yet updated further and also specification of the selection or required workaround is provided to the users. So, if we take an example of 4 people who are not able to access a particular website in Internet Explorer, then a ticket is logged with the service desk. From the service desk, the ticket is forwarded to the inline team. Example take here as remote desktop support team, and the team will diagnose and they will add that website to the trusted sites. So, you can see updated incident details is available here, and also configuration details of from the CMDB also is available. So, coming to the actions, they assess the incident details as well as they collect the analysis and the related information. That means if this site needs to be added to trusted sites, then they will go ahead and they add. So, they provide the resolution as a workaround that adding these kind of trusted websites to so that it will resolve the problem. So, for the outputs, incident details are yet further updated and also workaround selection is also taken place by the concerned team and the resolution or the diagnosis happened here.